This is a project about smart toll collection system using RFID and Zigbee. In short, it is a system of collecting toll without stopping the vehicle, thus avoid the queuing. Generally, we use this in most new highways, bridges and long flyovers have toll gates to generate revenue for making up for the cost of construction and the maintenance of these assets. List of components. In smart toll collection system, we have two units, toll gate unit and vehicle unit. In toll gate unit, PC, XB module, FTDI chip, USB converter. In vehicle unit, XB module, 8 MHz microcontroller, RFID reader, RFID tag and LED for signal alert. Explanation of toll gate unit. A smart toll collection system that consists of units at toll unit and in the individual vehicles. The toll gate unit will have an XB unit interfacing to FTDI chip, which is the USB to serial converter, which is given to PC where we use VB application. This unit will be mains powered and will periodically keep transmitting a beacon message containing the toll gate ID and name. Coming to vehicle unit, the vehicle unit will be AVR based and will have an interface to Zigbee module and RFID reader. AVR based microcontroller board that are required to carry out the toll collection process. Coming to XB, here we use XB module as a medium of serial communication. A XB PAN consists of one coordinator and one or more routers and or end devices, in which toll gate unit act as a coordinator and vehicle unit act as an end device or router. Router carries a message to end device, that is vehicle unit, by choosing the shortest path available. RFID reader. RFID is a technology used radio waves to transfer data from an electronic tag called RFID tag or a label attached to an object through a reader for the purpose of identifying and tracking the vehicle. The tag information is stored electronically. Sequential process in smart toll collection system. Firstly, open Visual Basic form, put it in a command mode. We get a OK response in XB. On reaching the vicinity of toll gate, vehicle unit will receive a beacon signal. On receipt of this signal, vehicle unit will glow an LED to drive over to the driver, who will present his RFID tag to the card reader. We get 12-bit data in XB response. This tag data combined with vehicle ID formed into a message and sent on XB. The toll gate unit will receive this message and interpret it and generate an electronic bill for the person registered as a vehicle owner.